Hi, we're back with our seasons and weather. Today is lesson 7 about safety in storms. We're going to go over our vocabulary first. Severe means very bad. Gear is a specific type of clothing or tool that's needed for a particular reason, like the pictures you see here are rain gear, stuff like that. Strike means a sudden or sharp blow, like a hit. Shelter is a place that offers protection from bad weather or dangerous situations, like a roof over your head, shelter. Your purpose for listening is Annie is going to be talking about what you can do to stay safe during a thunderstorm, and listen carefully about what you should do next time you encounter stormy weather, which is going to probably be this week. Here we go. Look at those storm clouds. Dear kindergartners, have you ever seen a thunderstorm? I got caught in one the other day, and it made me realize just how amazing and powerful the weather can be. The thunder boomed and the lightning flashed. It was quite a show. Today, I'm going to tell you about severe or very bad weather and how to stay safe during thunderstorms. You probably know what kind of weather to expect when you look up at these large dark clouds like these in the sky. These are storm clouds, and unless you want to get soaked, it's time to get indoors when you see a storm like this moving in. The word soaked means completely wet. During a thunderstorm, you can see lightning. Lightning is a stroke of electricity that connects energy in the ground with energy in a cloud. Sometimes you can see a bolt of lightning when it flashes and zigzags in the sky. Lightning is often followed by a loud clap of thunder. If the thunder is far away, then the thunder may only sound like a distant rumble. But as the storm gets closer, the thunder gets louder and louder, and the time between the lightning and thunder gets shorter and shorter. Thunder cannot hurt you, but lightning can be very dangerous. A lightning strike or a sudden sharp blow knocked down this tree. Lightning can start fires too. Worst of all, lightning can seriously injure or hurt a person. There is a very small chance of being struck by lightning, but it can happen. Fortunately, there are simple ways to be safe from lightning during a storm. My teachers taught them to me, and now I'm going to teach them to you. Lightning tends to strike tall things like trees and tall buildings. The smartest thing you can do in a storm is to stay indoors. If you can't take cover in a building, then a car is also a safe place. In case you ever get stuck outside in a thunderstorm and you cannot get indoors, it is important that you remember never to take shelter under or near a tree or tall object. Even though the tree leaves may help keep you dry, you never want to be near a tree if it gets hit by lightning. Instead, you should lie down flat on the ground, far away from any trees, and wait for the storm to pass. You'll get completely soaked with water, but you won't get struck by lightning or a falling tree. Another important rule is always to get out of a pool, lake, river, or ocean immediately during a thunderstorm. Electricity moves through water, so anyone in the water can be hurt by a single lightning strike. It's best to be safe and dry inside during a thunderstorm. When it is cold outside, you might see hail during a thunderstorm. Excuse me. During a hailstorm, chunks of ice called hailstones fall from the clouds onto the ground. Usually, hailstones are small and about the size of peas or even smaller. Sometimes, however, hailstones can be as big as golf balls or even a baseball. It is always best to stay indoors during a hailstorm. It is important to know how to stay safe during storms and other kinds of severe weather. If possible, don't go outside at all in any kind of storm. If you have to go outside, wear the right kind of gear, like a raincoat, rain boots, and a hat during rainstorms. Be smart and stay safe so you can enjoy the amazing power of nature. It's quite a show. Your friend, Annie. Pause here for discussion and play when you're ready. Pause here and play when you're ready. Pause here and play when you're ready. Pause here and play when you're ready. This can be a journal entry for today. This is a sentence that you can write underneath the picture you drew in your journal. Thanks for listening and learning about how to stay safe in a thunderstorm. Bye.